Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Sienna XLE with the limited package. This is a 7-passenger all-wheel drive minivan in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes a camera right in the front grille there under the Toyota emblem. You also have 2 cameras underneath the side mirrors and 1 in the back, which gives you a 360 camera view, which we will see more inside. Other great features includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper, power liftgate, power sliding doors, and a proximity smart key system. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. To unlock it, it's as easy as putting a hand inside the door handle here. Take a quick peek in the side mirror. You can see you do have a blind spot monitoring system along with heated mirrors. If we take a look inside, right up top you have your power windows, locks, power adjustable side mirrors. You also have your memory seating presets right next to the door handle. If we take a look next to the door here, you'll find a few features like your parking assist where you can turn those sensors on and off. The Sienna does also have a heated steering wheel as well. If we take a look inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray leather seating. On the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons, and on the top you also have a power moonroof. We're going to start the Sienna up by pushing the brake in and pressing the start button right behind the steering wheel there. Now, as always, we're going to start with the steering wheel features first. Starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you'll find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have these arrows up top. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. If we move on to our display here, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. You also have your navigation map on the right side. Now this is a touchscreen, so in this case if we press that map, that will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go into audio here, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have choices between USB, CD, and of course, like I mentioned, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Going into reverse, on the left side you get that direct view from behind. On the right side, you have that 360 camera view like we mentioned from before. Moving down below that is the climate control. Nice and simple here. You have 3 dials for your temperatures. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well. And you have the dial on the bottom for those rear passengers as well.Moving down, you have your driver and passenger heated seats. You have your USB auxiliary along with your 12-volt outlet. We can push this little piece here. You got 2 extra cup holders that slide out. And underneath that we have some storage compartments, and this is where you'll also find your BluRay CD. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that 3rd button on our key fob here for that left side to open. Now if we move inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. Of course, there is your BluRay screen, of course, and your second moonroof. The second row seats do fold down as well. We can just pull this little middle handle here. Seats will fold and we can slide them forward, giving you access to your 3rd row seating. To open the cargo of the Sienna, it's as easy as holding that bottom liftgate button on our key fob. And that liftgate will open for us. And if we sneak inside here, you can see with the 3rd row seating up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back. The 3rd row seats do fold down. It's as easy as just pulling on this little handle here. And the seats still all the way down, giving you the flat cargo space. And like I mentioned, the 2nd row seats do fold down as well. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Taking the last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your dual moonroof, driver and passenger heated seats, tri-zone climate control, and gray leather. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.